Hey cousins, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're not new to this, you're true to this. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you're joining us today. I'm bringing you a sleigh brought to you by Janet Collection. It's their Knowledge Trust line. Now, I'll be using their 3x invisible locks in their bob style. Basically, that just means that in one pack, you'll have 3 bundles of 10 inches, 12 inches, and 14 inches. You have options when it comes to how you want to style the hair, how you want your bob to look. If you want it to ascend from shorter to longer or longer to shorter, that just depends on your particular style, which length you start with. Okay, I'm just doing a little side plait rubber band crisscross applesauce sort of thing, give it a little razzle dazzle, on the side with pride. That is very easy, y'all. I'm just going to tell you about the hair while you kind of just, look at what I'm doing here really quickly, and then, just vibe out and look at the style and how it ends up, because I do a couple things at the end that I think you want to see as far as adjusting the bob, okay? I'm going to tell you about that in a second. But the hair, again, is from the Knowledge Trust line. It's by Janet Collection. This is their value pack. So in one pack, again, you will have 3 bundles, 10, 12, and 14. Okay, the hair was so easy to work with, y'all. The loop, it stretched, it bounced back. Perfect for your 2 fingers, your index finger and your thumb, to fit into. And that's very important. You're not going to be using the hook to pull the lock through the loop, okay? Because you guys know, for invisible locks, for the style, there's like a knot at the bottom, and you have to pull that through that loop. And so you need a nice size space to be able to do that. So you're not going to use your crochet needle to pull through. You're going to use your pointer finger and your thumb, okay? And it's very easy. These are nice size, so your boxes are going to be very nice, because y'all know I'm doing an illusion crochet hairstyle. We already know this, okay? Now, if you have not been coming to Bible study, then you may not know that. But for those of you who have been present and on time, you know that that's my thing. I love illusion crochet braids, okay? So what I'm doing is a traditional crochet install, okay? I know you guys have a picture of, the invisible lock style, and I do have a video for that too. So I did do that before, but I'm not going to do it for this one. I'm just going to do a regular crochet install, okay? So I'm not going to do like the twisted root look, you know what I'm saying? Like when you have locks and you do like a 2-strand lock, 2-lock twist. I'm not doing that look, okay? This is a regular illusion crochet install with a side rubber band plait design. That's what this is. So I decided to take it at a different angle. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to flip it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I decided to do. Again, the hair is very easy to work with. It is light, it's bouncy, it's flowy, it moves wonderfully. You really have a lot of options as far as styling with how you want to do your hair, okay? There are a lot of colors available. With this being the first time of me using this hair, I wanted to just stick with a natural color, so that's what I am doing. And you'll see the process all the way through from beginning to end. Now, if you do not know how to cornrow, you can do the illusion boxes, all the way back. You do not have to cornrow. Now, is it beneficial to learn how to cornrow? Yes, take those baby steps, okay? Watch Beauty Can Braid. She's great. She's a great teacher. She'll teach you how to cornrow, okay? Because I'm not the best braider either. I get it, okay? I understand. I really do. So, but just take baby steps to try to learn, because it is faster if you can just if you can do enough to get by. Like me, I can do enough to get by. Yes, braiders would be ashamed of me, but that's okay. I can do enough to get by. That's the key. But until then, yes, I got you with the illusion boxes, baby. I got you. Don't worry, and I'm not going to judge you. Because see, We getting ready to cover all that up. So it really don't matter. The back of, you already know what it is. The back of our hair does not judge us, okay? Like the front does. The front will talk about you and your mama like it never even knew you, okay? I've told y'all that. But off up in the bike, oh, honey, we can be as lost and turned out as we want to. We getting ready to cover all that up, okay? All right. So that's going to be the braid pattern. Let me just tell you one more thing before I let you go and vibe out with this music and the styling. There was towards the end, I am going to be adjusting the layers, okay? Because this is not like loose flowing hair. You know what? Actually, I think I should tell you this while you are looking at what I'm doing. So hold a minute. I'll be right back, okay? All right, hold on.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games, not what you wanna do. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, babe? Promise me we'll never fall. Time took the toll on us, I'll say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for you to change. Oh, time, we got older, babe, yeah. But I wanna stay with you, and don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise we'll never change. So are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall. Promise, now are you gonna love me?
right, y'all, I'm back. Now this is looking really good, but as you can see, there is a big difference between the 10s and the 12s, and y'all know I'm all about the shape. So I'm gonna take some of those 12s out and replace those with 10s because I need it to be as gradient as possible. You don't want one length and then it just jumps to a totally different length. There has to be a process going from one length to the next, okay? And as you are moving up or down your head, there will be a natural layering effect anyways, okay? So I needed to replace a few of those 12s with 10s so it's not like a jump from layer to layer. You know what I'm saying? I hope that makes sense. You see how it's starting to gradually go from shorter to longer. You know, from top to bottom, it's shorter and it gradually moves to longer. It doesn't jump, okay? We're not ignorant on top of ignorant. I don't know if anybody told you, but we're not. So that's what I'm doing right here. Now it's y'all already know how I feel about shape. Y'all know how I feel about shape. Y'all know that. Y'all not new to this, you true to this. If you are new to this, hey, shape matters to me, okay? When it comes to this hair thing, it really does. These are just small steps that you can take to perfect your install. You do not have to do this, okay? This is just a suggestion. This is just my humble suggestion as a follower of Christ, okay? I humbly bring you this suggestion. If you don't want to look lost and turned out, make sure your layers gradually blend in and marinate within each other. Don't just jump over there to the party and be uninvited, okay? Don't do that. Don't do that. So now you see how much better that is, y'all. It's way better. I'm gonna be for real with you. I'm really hoping Janet Collection comes out with just a 10-inch without the variation, because I don't even need, honey, that 10-inch is gonna be smacking. You hear me, Janet? If you're listening, hit us with that 10-inch, just 10-inch straight. You can still give us the 3-time value pack, but just all 10s. And then maybe all 12s for somebody who wanted just a little bit longer. But I'm telling you, those 10s gonna smack, okay? I feel it in my spirit. Listen, that little brush right there, I love it because I can swoop my dupes appropriately. All this stuff will be in the description box. But y'all, yes, I love it. I love it. This was very easy, very quick. It's giving style, it's giving profile. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think. What color are you gonna rock? That's what I really want to know. And until next time, y'all, peace, love, light. Bye-bye.